Hello, are you looking for Tekvisions Armour scanners for your school cafeteria POS? You can now save big by ordering direct from AlphatechsUSA. As the original designer and manufacturer of Tekvisions Armour scan model, we offer a wide selection of superior school lunch scanners at an exclusive factory direct price. Specifically designed for U.S. school cafeterias, our 1D barcode reader comes with a scanner and tactile keys allowing students to scan their 1D barcode ID. Using the latest technologies, our QR scanner allows students to scan their ID's 1D or 2D QR code fast and easy while keeping the ability to enter codes manually. Our most advanced model yet, our RFID model, features a RFID tag reader that is designed to speed up school lunch lines with hassle-free wireless identification. It also includes tactile keys. Our barcode scanners and readers are compatible with all U.S. school cafeteria software. They are designed and assembled in the U.S., made of superior materials, FCC approved, USB certified and covered by our 3-year warranty. To save big on Tekvisions Armour Scan School Lunch Scanners, visit AlphatechsUSA.com or call 888-778-9972.